Hey y'all, we're back with another video, and if you're new here, my name is Bree, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are going to be doing a Tortoise style gelx nail set. So I took my old set off, and yeah, we're gonna do, I have medium stiletto, après nail tips. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off by applying some cuticle remover all over the nail. So I let that sit. I'm going to push up the cuticle. Make sure it's light pressure. I'm not digging into the nail. I tried to do a voiceover just talking throughout the video, but it was too much noise in the background, first of all, and then I totally forgot that I was talking and doing the instructions, so I'll just have to do the voiceover like this. But hey, how y'all doing? I missed y'all. So I tried to use the dehydrator to etch the inside of the nail, but it wasn't working for me, so I might have to just order it online or Amazon. But I went in with the nail drill and I just etched it with the sanding band.
And y'all can kiss my ass. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, Friday night, hot as hell, and you know the hoes out.
So I put a thin layer of the hard gel on top of the natural nail, and I cured that for 30 seconds, my full hand, and then once I applied the gelx nail, I cured that for 60 seconds after I flash cured each one for 30 seconds. Let me know if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I did that. I will go ahead and post that, and then I'll link all the products that I've used in this video in the comment section or in the description box below. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I go in with the nail drill and I just clean up all the excess that has spilled over, and I make sure that everything is smooth so it doesn't look like I have a press on. To make the tortoise color, I wanted to make like a burnt orange jelly color. I didn't have it, so I mixed a brown, a yellow, and a orange together, and I was trying to get it with the base coat, clear coat, and I mixed that together, and I got a light orange. But I liked it. It worked for what I was trying to go for. And then I used blooming gel as well to make the designs. I applied 2 layers of this color, and then I cured it each time for 60 seconds. This nail is where I messed up. I forgot to put the base color under it, so I'm over here doing the French tip without the base color on top or under it. So I just went ahead, and once I realized it, I put the new color on top, and then I proceeded to do the tortoise color. But don't pay attention to that one. And to make that nude color, I use a sheer pink on the bottom and then a nude jelly on top, and I cure again for 60 seconds each to get a beautiful nude color. Then I apply the blooming gel, and I first start off with black, and I just put it wherever I want. You can put it however you want, wherever you want, how many you want, just have fun with it. That's what I was doing. I was surprised. So once that is cured, I cure all of those nails. I don't do them at the same time because the color does move around, so you do one nail each. And then you'll cure it for 30 seconds, take it out, and then layer it. So you'll put the jelly orange on top of that layer once it's cured, and then you go in with a brown color, and I mixed the black and the brown I had together, and I just put it where the orange spaces are to fill it in. And I actually love how it turned out. I can't wait to order some more colors and just try it again and see how I like it. But I had fun with this set. I used a lot of different designs, and I used like red, and I like it. I'm looking at them now. I love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Toast on with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof. So ain't compromising. $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I was pink money. I can barely move. Ask about it. I'm gon' bust a move. Bree James, 33 chains.
mask off, big farm, mask on, fucking mask off, big farm, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big farm, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, photo made me, I drive anything, buy my range, make them go insane. My guillotine, drink with melazine, taking beans, go to those extremes, let's go, Parliament, Mario wins, parlay in Vegas, we was in the tennis, let's go, before the business, be a door lenses, be a more prescriptions, focus on the mission, for my intermission, never take a break, switch states, switch down far.